Good morning children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So my name is Jyoti, I am your maths teacher. So all of you, I am going to teach you 4th class maths subject, and in that first chapter, what is that first chapter? Recap. So your first chapter is recap. All of you open your textbook children. Okay, open page number 72. 72. So, what is the first bit? Write the number names. So, here the number is there. We should write the number name for the given number. Have we all have learnt in the previous class number names, numerals, expanded form, comparison of numbers, and even number, odd number, additions, subtractions, and solving these metric measures. So these all are divisions, multiplications, these all are you have learnt in the previous class only. So this chapter is only for revising what we have done in the earlier classes. Let's go through this. We can do it is we can enjoy this exercise. So first one is write the number names. So they have given the number, what is that? 57,300. So we should write the number name. Children, first of all, when we have writing the number name, so we should know the place value. So that is, have you remembered the place value? Okay, tell me, what is the place value of 0? Yeah, good. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Good. If you know the place value, you can write it very easily. So here it is 10,000. So how we can write 57,000? So tell me children, 57,000. 57,000. What is it here? Ones, tens, hundred. So 57,300. Because we are not having any ones, tens place, so we are ending with 57,300. Let us see one more example. You can get a brief idea. That is, okay, B bit. What is the number? 15842. Now tell me what is the, how to write the number name. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So we should write this as 15,000. 15,000. Next after 1,000, after what is there? 8. So 8 in the place of ones, tens, hundred. Yeah, good. We should write 800. 800. What is there? 42. 842. Children, don't write the 40 spelling as F-O-U-R-T-Y 40. Right? F-O-R-T-Y 42. Okay, have you remembered? Okay, remaining bits you can do, I hope. Okay, let's go for second bit. That is, write the numerals. So in this, they have given number name. Already here there is the number name. We should write the numerals. Same, this two bits are vice versa. So what is the first one? Can anyone read for me? 6,450. So we should write, how we will write? For example, for this, if you are taking place values, it is very easy. 1,000, 100, tens, ones. So here 6,000. So we should write in the place of 6,000. 400. Where is 100? Here. So we should write 4. Next, 50. So 50. Got it children? Now we can read it as 6,450. Okay, shall I do one more? So, okay, take C bit. For this also you should write 1,000, 100, tens. It will make you to realize your mistake and do correctly. It will be useful for anything, for addition, subtraction, anything we should mention this place values. So what is the C bit? 70,205. In the place of 1,000, what we should write? 70. Next, in place of 100, 200 and what is there? 5. So there is no tens place. So we should keep the 0, 5. Have you got it, children? Once again I will repeat, 70,205. So in the place of 1000 we should write 70, and in place of hundreds we should write 2, and there is no tens place, so we should keep 0 and 5. So we should write 5 in the ones place. So you do the B and D bits, and see the third bit. Write the place value of 2 in it. So they have given some F bits. So A, B, C, D, E, F. So in this all bits there will be 2, no? So we should know the place values. So for this also you can write easily place value of 2. So first you should write 1000, 100, tens, ones. Now write the numbers what they have, what they are in textbooks. 32,547, thousands, 10,000s. Okay. Next 71, 321, and E bit. Let's see. 2,375. Okay, children. Now we don't want all place values here. We need only place value of 2 in these bits. So now go for here. So what is the place value? Ones, tens, 100, thousands. So the place value of 2 is in this bit 1000. And next ones, tens. Place value of 2 is here tens. Next ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So what is there here? Thousands. So similarly you can do the remaining bits. Okay. Now coming to fourth bit. So that is expanded form. Very easy, no, for you. You will be enjoying with expanded form. No, children? You will write easily while counting the numbers, keeping the zeros. Okay. You will enjoy, no, expanded form. So our fourth bit is expanded form. So what the number is given? Here the number is in expanded form. See page number 72, fourth bit. What is the A? 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how we will write the expanded form? Okay, now we should come from ones place. So ones place is 5, tens place is 4, it is 40, 100 place is 0, that is 300, 1000 place is 1, that is 1000. Can I repeat one more time? Ones place is 5, tens place is 40, hundreds place is 3, so we are writing 300, and thousands place is 1, so we are writing 1000. Okay. Okay, shall I do one more? C bit 35, 3. Okay, how we will write? Let's see. What is there in ones place? 3. Very good. We should write 3 here. Now tell me what is there in tens place? Can I hear? Yeah, 0. So we should write 0, 0. Because it is tens, so we can write 2 digits, or we can write 0. 1 0 is also enough. Next, hundreds place 0. Next, thousands place 5,000. This is 10,000 place. So we should write 30,000. Have you got it, children? Here the place values are very important. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So in ones place we will be getting 3, and the tens and hundreds place are 0, and next is thousands place is 5, and 10,000 place is 3. Got it, children? Okay. Now open page number 73, fifth bit. Open, children, all of you, page number 73. So what is the first bit here? They have given expanded form. We should write the number. It's very simple, no? They have given the expanded form. We should write the number. So what is there? 8,000. Here the number is 8,209. How we will write this number? So for this we should take the place value, that is 1000, 100, tens, ones. So in the place of ones, what is the number? 9. So in one place write the number as 9. In hundreds, it is 200s. Then what about tens place? There is no number in the tens place, so we should write it as 0. And in hundreds, it is 200. So we will write only 2 because it's hundreds place. We don't mention the place value. We will take only face value. And next in thousands place, what is the number? 8. So our number is 8209. Got it, children? Okay, let's do debit. So 5500. This is also according to place value only. Here, is there any ones value in this? No. So keep it 0. Any tens value? No. Keep it 0. What is hundreds value here? 5. So write it as 5. Thousands value? 5. So what is the answer? 5500. Got it? Do the B and C bits as homework. Okay? Let's go for 6th bit. Even numbers. What is that, children? Even numbers. So tell me, what are even numbers? Have you any idea about even numbers? Even numbers means? Okay, I will tell you. So first you take numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so in this, have you remembered 2 table? Can you tell me? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Yeah, very good. So we will go with 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So the number which are multiples of 2 are nothing but even numbers. So we can assume simply as even numbers means multiples of 2. That is nothing but 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These all are multiples of 2 and these numbers are called even numbers. Okay, what are odd numbers? What are odd numbers? The numbers which are not multiple by 2 is nothing but odd numbers. It means the remaining which I have not circled are odd numbers. What are the numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Can you repeat once again? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So the numbers which are multiple by 2 are even numbers. The numbers which are not multiple by 2 are odd numbers. Okay, now we will go into the exercise. So what they have given? They have given a number and we should find it is odd number or even number. So what is that number? 375, 128, 3542, 170, 1331, 79, 84. Children, don't think, Amma, these many numbers are teacher. Don't worry. You can find very easily what are even numbers. How? You know the even numbers, no? What are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, how we can define in this even numbers means, in ones place, if we get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 or 0, those numbers are nothing but even numbers. So, you should remember only 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 or 10. Okay, now tell me, in this 5. In this numbers there is 5? No. So this is not even number. 8? Yeah, it is there. So this is even number. You can write it as even number. 2 is there. So 3542 is also even number. So 0 is also there. So it is 170 also even number. Next 131. 1 is there in this set up, no. So that number is not considered as even number. Next, what is the last number? 4. 4 is there. So 7984 also Okay, it is 79, 84. So 84 is also even number. So now tell me, here they have given no even numbers always end in, with what numbers even numbers will end? 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So the numbers which always end with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are nothing but even numbers. Okay, now coming to odd numbers. Okay, so what are odd numbers? The numbers which are not multiple by 2 are nothing but odd numbers. So we will write what are odd numbers. Those are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Got it, children? What are odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So given numbers are there, no? So tell me what are odd numbers among that? 874, 8353, 99, 147, 82. So simply what you should do, first you round off the ones place which are having in this set. So 2 is there in this set? No. So this is not odd number. 1 is there. So you round off this number. 4 not there. 3 it is there. 9 it is there. 7 it is there. 8, 2 is not there. So what are the odd numbers in this? 1371, 8353, 99, 147. So by this odd numbers always end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Got it, children? Okay. Thank you. We will continue in the next class.